Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to separate them in here. Now we concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So we need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 0 because that is about the constant. This one we have to ask. So because we don't have number 8, that's if number 4 and number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. Ask the ask we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have arctan of 2s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one we have number 2 over 1 plus 4s squared, and I will put about the s. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. The s over 1 plus 4s squared we change by u du. So u and u we have u squared. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 2 to change for n. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. About u, that is about this one. Now we combine the answer. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.